where you're watching from, because we live in a world you never know. We may meet ourselves in your country. Thank you for always watching. I have a brother watching from Zurich in Switzerland. He's from South Sudan. I see you every week. Thank you so much. I have some people watching from India, different parts of India, specifically in the Garo Hills. Thank you guys. Some guys watching from the Philippines. Every week the Philippines are here watching me right from the start of this channel, especially from Cebu. I don't know where that place is. I hope I pronounce it correctly. Thank you guys. I see you here. I see you guys here every week. Some guys from Mozambique, Mozambicans. Thank you so much for joining every week. Some guys watching me from different parts of Zambia. Zambia is giving me really a lot of numbers. So many people are watching me from Zambia, specifically in the northern province in Zambia, in Ndola, in Lusaka, in Kalulusi, and different parts of Zambia. I'm so grateful. You guys are doing great job. I have some people watching me from Papua New Guinea. Guys, you guys are so amazing. Every week flooding in, just coming in and blessing me with encouragements and messages and with your prayers. There's a church in Papua New Guinea specifically. Somebody said they're watching from there. It's called the Burning Hill SDA Church. That is found in the Eastern Highlands in Simbu Mission. That is in the South Pacific Division, Papua New Guinea. Thank you so much, guys. That is great. I have some guys watching from Australia. I see you guys. You guys are hiding, but I see you guys. Thank you so much for watching every week. I see some guys watching from UK, in London. Londoners, we call them, in London. See you guys. I see you every week. Thank you so much for joining. Some guys from Canada, some guys from United States, in Florida and other parts of United States. I see you guys here every week. You can't hide. I see you guys. Thank you so much. Some guys watching from South Africa every week, from the Eastern Cape province and from Cape Town, from Johannesburg and other parts. Thank you guys. I have some people watching from Zimbabwe, different parts of Zimbabwe, from Harare, from Blue Whales and other parts of Zimbabwe. Great job, guys. Have some guys watching from Kenya, in Nairobi and different parts of Kenya. Thank you guys. I have some people watching from Nigeria, specifically in the southeastern part of Nigeria. That is so interesting to know, guys. That is so great. I have some people watching me from Malawi, specifically from Mulanze. I hope I pronounced that name correctly. And also from Lilongwe in Malawi. I hope I pronounced that name correctly. There's a name that starts with B. It's called Blante. I don't think I pronounced that one correctly, but thank you guys for joining. I have some guys watching from Zanzibar in Tanzania. Very great. You're doing a great job. Thank you so much. I have some guys watching from Uganda, different parts of Uganda, right from West Nile in Adjumani, northern parts of Uganda, from Gulu and other parts. People are watching me. In the central, I have so many people watching from central in Uganda. I have some people from southwestern Uganda, some guys from the eastern part of Uganda. Thank you guys. I see you. You guys are doing great job. I see some people watching from Jamaica in the Caribbean. I'm so grateful. You guys are here every week. May God bless you. Some guys watching me from Seychelles Island. Very great, in Mahe. I hope I pronounced that town and that place so correctly. You guys are doing great job. I see you guys here every week. That's so great. May God bless you. I see some guys from Guyana. Interesting. You guys are doing amazing. Some guys from, of course, Singapore. You guys are there watching every week. Some people watching from Holland. That's so great. I'm so glad to see you guys. Some guys watching me from Namibia, specifically in the Walvis Bay, Namibia. I see you guys, and different parts of Namibia. I see some guys from Ethiopia. Every week you guys are here. Amazing. May God bless you. Some guys watching me from Egypt. Every week I see you guys from Egypt. I see some guys from Lesotho. How could I forget Lesotho? That's very interesting. I see you guys here every week. I see some guys watching from different other parts of the world, but they don't want to put their country in the comment. I see you guys too. Thank you so much for watching anyways. May God bless you. I want to know where you're watching from.